The TP-Link Tapo C520WS is a pan and tilt security Wi-Fi CCTV camera designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Here is a summary of its key features and specifications. Key features: 2K QHD Live View. The camera records in a 2560 by 1440 resolution, providing 1.7 times more pixels than a standard 1080p camera for sharper and more detailed images. Starlight Color Night Vision. Equipped with a large aperture lens and a starlight sensor, it can capture brighter and more vivid colors in low light conditions, even without the built-in spotlights. 360 degrees visual coverage. The camera offers a 360 degrees horizontal and 130 degrees vertical field of view, allowing you to pan and tilt remotely to monitor a wide area and eliminate blind spots. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. It also has a smart motion tracking feature that follows objects as they move. AI detection. It uses smart AI to detect and identify people, pets, and vehicles, reducing false alerts. It also supports line crossing and tamper detection. Customizable alarms. You can set a custom sound and light alarm to deter unwanted visitors. The camera has built-in spotlights and a siren. Weatherproof. With an IP66 rating, the camera is designed to withstand rain, dust, and heat, making it suitable for outdoor use. Flexible connectivity. It can be connected to your network via Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection for more flexible installation. It has dual external antennas for a more stable wireless connection. Two-way audio. The camera has a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to communicate with people on the other end. Storage options. It supports both local storage on a microSD card, up to 512 GB, for continuous 24/7 recording and cloud storage through a subscription to Tapo Care Services. Smart integration. The Tapo C520WS is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Physical privacy mode. The camera's housing can be adjusted to physically block the lens for privacy. Technical specifications. Resolution: 2K QHD 4MP, 2560 by 1440px. Night vision, 850 nanometers IR LED, up to 30m/98 feet, and Starlight Color Night Vision. Pan/tilt range, 360 degrees horizontal pan and 130 degrees vertical tilt. Weatherproof rating, IP66 power, 9V DC power adapter dimensions, 123.8 by 123 by 90 mm. Operating temperature, -30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Thank you for watching Byte Vision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.